Green one.
Oh, the nut and the bolt.
Green
So,
one.
a green one. Can we have a look? Look at Marley's nut and bolt. So what are you going to do with these? Would you like to screw these two or bolt these two together? What if we bolt these two together?
Green one.
Put the green one through here. Put the green one through the hole. There we go. Now we'll put the nut on. Good job. Now we're going to twist it on. Gotta go this way.
Papa.
There we go. So twist it on now. We might need a tool. What about this tool? What if we go like this to screw it on? We could do it this way.
That one's shining.
This way it is. Marley's turn.
Now Daddy do it.
Daddy.
Daddy do it.
Daddy do it.
Hard.
It's too hard, but what if you do this? So what about we try this one then? What if Daddy holds it like this, and then you get your screwdriver
I want.
and then do this.
I want.
Can you use the screwdriver?
I want.
Other one. Okay, now let's put the nut on. Put the nut on. Good job. Twist it around more. A bit more like this.
Daddy do it.
Okay, you do the you get the screwdriver.
Daddy do it.
I'll show you. So watch Daddy. You'll be able to do it. You just got to listen. You just got to listen. So watch Daddy.
Cheese.
They're not key. That looks like a key, but it's actually a saw.
Sure.
Saw. Marley, look what Daddy's doing. Can you do that?
Cheese.
Can you do this? Look what Daddy's doing with this hand.
Big one. Big one out. Big one. Big one
Can you do this
out.
one?
Big one.
Pink one out. You can do it. Unscrew it.
Daddy do it.
Daddy, do it. There we go. That's it. I'll hold this and then you screw with the screwdriver. Are you going to do this one? Good idea. That's it.
No cheese. What wants cheese?
It looks like a key, but it's actually a saw.
What one?
What is it? A black one?
What one's so?
It's a saw, isn't it? Saw. So what you do is you cut. Let's have a go at it. So you watch Daddy. So we cut this. Let's actually put these two together.
Shut.
This way. Watch Daddy. So you cut this way. Like that. You have a go?
Out.
You want that one out, do you?
Hammer.
Oh, you dropped your screwdriver.
Daddy do it.
Daddy do it.